Hello, good people. Emmanuel Safali bringing you the Promise Insurance Show. And today, let's speak about Britam home insurance package and what does it protect and why you have to protect what really matters. Your home, your belongings, your peace of mind against fires and alleged perils, burglary, storms, contents, and it's actually fully digital. So let's look into it. But before I make a case towards it, let us just watch this video, this brief video, and see what it's talking about. Okay. All right, so just with that, I just want to really have something to think about. The world order is changing rapidly. Economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, and rising travel costs are reshaping tourism patterns. As international travel becomes less predictable, domestic tourism is emerging as a resilient and sustainable growth opportunity for property owners. More Ugandans are choosing to explore Uganda, creating growing demand for Airbnb accommodation, holiday homes, and short-term rentals. This presents a unique opportunity for homeowners to generate extra income for their properties. However, every opportunity comes with risks. Theft, burglary, fire, arson, accidental damage, and natural perils can quickly turn a profitable investment into a major financial setback. That's why Britam offers digitally accessible home insurance package designed to protect your property and give you a peace of mind as you participate in the growing domestic economy. So what are the benefits of the property owners? Protect your building, your household contents against the insured risks. Safeguard your investment or rental income opportunities. Recover faster from unforeseen losses. Enjoy convenient digital policy purchase and management, and gain a peace of mind while hosting guests. Preserve long-term value of your property. Access affordable financial protection from a trusted insurer. So generally, my call to action to those who own property, and even when you're renting property, you have your contents. Don't wait for the loss to appreciate the value of insurance. Turn your home into an income-generating asset and protect it with the Britam home insurance today. So let's just look at also this other video by Safa Homes.
Welcome to Safa Homes and Residences Cataly.
So these are the kind of homes we are beginning to see.
Every stay feels like royalty.
People have invested lots of money
feet from Rowena Highway and
into this kind of
our
projects.
luxurious serviced apartments offer
So
the
let's look
perfect
at
blend
this
of
property
convenience
for
and
those.
sophistication.
These are some of
Step
the
into
properties
a
in
beautifully
Seguku,
designed living room with a cozy sofa
and some of
bed,
our clients who have
elegant
actually
decor,
embraced
and a serene
insurance. And I'm going to show
atmosphere
you
that welcomes
how
you.
possible it is
Enjoy a spacious
you
dining area
to
and a fully
access this
equipped
kind of.
kitchen perfect for your family meals or a quiet dinner in.
So
Relax
this is
in the
quite
master
an
bedroom
investment.
with an ensuite
Very beautiful
bathroom,
homes
unwind in the guest
that we
room
have
and bathroom,
created.
and enjoy the convenience of free Wi-Fi
And
and
then we're going to see how much it
Netflix right
costs
at
in
your
insurance.
fingertips. At Safa Homes and Residences, we redefine modern living elegant, peaceful, and personalized to your comfort. For bookings and reservations,
So to Safa
call
Homes,
or WhatsApp us on
let us
+197
support the
823
business, but also let us see how they did it.
+25.
Okay, so let's just go to, of course, now this is the Britam portal that we use to quote. We have done the travel insurance before. These are quite digitized. We have done something about motor insurance. Now we have also done something about personal accident. Let's look at the home insurance or the kind of risks that this person can do. So once we have the portal, we can get details. Now, we actually have domestic house owners cover and then the domestic householders. Now, the difference is for people who own the home and the content therein will take on the first one. The second one is for people who don't own the home, but they're just renting, but they have serious household items therein. So, of course, this is just a template depending on the information you're going to give us. You give us the location and all that. So let's also just look at this quotation that we did actually for the Safa homes. And we started it in January, and they actually embracing it and finding that it's really quite much beneficial, and is actually getting the peace of mind that we have been talking about. Even when he hosts guests, he has his own home there, the owner, but he also hosts people there. So what do you cover? So this is just an example of a building that you have seen in the video, cost us about 1 billion shillings. What's the cost of the premium? Is just 1.25 million shillings. This is just an example. Consider rates are relatively very affordable. Now, if we put in what we call all risks, these are the items in the home that are electronic, they are portable, they keep moving. Things like the TVs in the house, things like the air fryers, you saw the kitchenware that moves, things like the fridge, the fans. Those are items that someone can break in and actually steal and move easily with them. So he gave us a list of items. We covered them. They're about 34.8 million. The premium for it is just 522,000 shillings per year. Then the contents, this is the furniture. You saw the very expensive beddings, and then the sofas, about 56.5 million. The premium comes to about 422,000 shillings per year. Now, this occupier's liability and owner's liability. Now, this is usually considered 10% of the building's value. But what does it entail? Now, for instance, him as the landlord, he has a liability. If people's property, the tenant's property, no, actually these are the tenant's property. Now, should they get any losses while renting at this person's home, there's at least 100 million that can take care of that loss, and the premium is just 200,000. And the owner's liability, yes, the owner can actually also be sued. His property may damage the tenant's property. Now, also at 100 million, which is just 10% of the building's value, the premium is just 200,000 shillings per year. Then the portable items, he had some laptops, he had some phones that he usually moves with, some cameras. Those can also be covered, because you cannot actually cover your camera or phone if you come to an insurer. But if you cover it under this kind of home items, it is very possible for us to cover it. Then he has what we call workman's liability. Now, he has two staff on ground, earning about 250,000 shillings per month. That's about 500,000. If you multiply that by 5 years earnings, that will be about 30 million. The premium for it is just 75,000 per year. Now, if you total up all these premiums, it's about 2.89 million, including the taxes. It will come to about 3.46 million shillings per year. So I think this is really quite affordable, and it makes this client happy that wherever he is, whether in the country or outside the country, his property is gaining value. So let's embrace the home insurances, just to, right, just like this video is saying, from safari to legacy. Let's protect the tourism space, and let's also protect our properties. So with that, I remain Emmanuel Safali, bringing you the Promise Insurance Show. Until next time, Please support, reach out for quotations for us to serve you and provide you this kind of covers very affordably, very easily, very conveniently. What we do is give us a list, and then you put in the details for the quotation. And once you're ready, you load the premium on your phone, and then you just come, we do the inspection. Only after we have done the inspection, we have fitted in all the information into the system as you had mentioned them, is when we shall send you a PRN for you to make a payment. With that, thank you so much for your attention. Amen. Emmanuel Safali, bring you the promised show. And be blessed. Till next time, be blessed.